Hi, I'm Ken with Basic Waterproofing Specialist, and we're going to reenact a flow test of 4 different types of French drains that are used universally in most homes and commercial buildings. And the way we're going to do it is, this is a footer drain, and as you can see, it's set up in this plastic box. When you dump the water in, it's going to flow the water out, and we're going to see how much time it takes to fill a 5-gallon bucket. This is a traditional ADS pipe that you find mostly in new homes, and many residential waterproofing companies install these. This is your traditional 4-inch perforated PVC pipe, which is also used. And then this is a high-grade commercial level 7 elite magnum flow piping system, which Basic Waterproofing Specialists utilize.